starting off, I've already cleaned my face. Everything's all good, and what I'm using is, hopefully you can read it, is the Revlon Photoready primer. In my last video I called my eyeshadow palette Revlon, but it was Rimmel. Yes, I picked that up. Okay, starting off with the primer. Let's do it. Next I'm going to use put my brush down, the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop foundation. He sneezed. Okay, next. I say next all the time, and I shouldn't say that, and he keeps sneezing. I'm going to use flick it down, Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. And the palette I'm using today is Rimmel. I'll turn it up this way so you can see it. And it's the Electric Violet palette. Okay. All over the lid, I'm going to use this one here. Okay, using the same brush, in the outer corner, I'm going to use this one on the end. Now going in with my smaller brush, my edging brush, flat end, whatever you want to call it, I'm going to take that blue down underneath the eye as well. Now, on as a highlighter, I'll get the words. I'm going to use this one here. Staying in the purple and blue idea, just keeping it all. Mascara, I'm using the Maybelline Colossal in black. Now I'm just going to do that on the top. Okay, eyebrows. I'm using my Revolution eyebrow pencil. think I might put mascara on my bottom lash. Lashes, I have more than one. That's better. Now, using my Maybelline Dream Lumi pen, highlighter, concealer. Next, bronzer is my MCoBeauty natural bronzer. Blush, I'm using the Clinique blush. Highlighter, I'm using the e.l.f. Baked Highlighter. And I'm using my little baby one. I get my big brush. Fix. Lips, I'm using the Rimmel Exaggerate. Find it, there it is. And the colour is Red Diva. Lip colour is, and I'll find the words, there it is, NYX, and it's, I believe, black cherry. I only believe it. There you have it. Shall we look at the eyes? I'll get the hair off me. Thanks for watching.